Alright guys, I wish I could tell you that I was schmoozing with the stars, driving fancy cars, and spitting devastating bars that hit different, but honestly, I've just been busy. I'm currently working on some videos, the first of which is going to detail the work that I've been doing on the property to combat the erosion that we've been experiencing due to the rainy season. It's been raining almost every day for the last month now. Photos and narration are forthcoming. Thanks for your patience. Peace and be wild.
Peace and be wild. Be wild.